Yeah. Clips. Yeah. You just got that off. Look at that. Say what's up to YouTube, America. Yo. Say what's up to YouTube, America. That's crazy. What's up, guys? It's your boy Mikeyyywill. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you know. So, and this is part 7 of the electric quad build. We're going with the full-on remaster, dropping a steel case for the battery. I made a smaller battery because the previous battery, I think it had about 200 cells in it. This one has about 160. Still 72 volt. Got the good homie, Can't Drop Back Jay, help me out, welding up all this. The cooler cart helping him out, getting what he needs, the A to B. I got a review coming on that soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But I don't really know too much about welding. That's why I called him up. We offered up some money because even though I could learn, I don't think I could do it as good as someone who does this for a living. So we got rid of the previous welds. They were great. They were meant for a different battery. But I really wanted a case in case the chain snapped and popped. A few days later, a couple days went by, came back. I also, you guys have noticed, I have painted the motor mount brackets because they were rusted to crap. So I had to clean everything up, you know what I'm saying? Paint it up, sand it down, and then paint it up. Taking off those old motor mount welds so we can make sure everything fits flush. And now it's time to weld. Because I did need to redo the holes for the motor mount as well and make it more even because the motor was a little bit pitched and you could kind of feel it when taking off. You didn't feel it too much when you're rolling, but you definitely felt it when you're taking off. And there it is, boys. Yo, that looks tight. Now it's time to clean up the welds, clean up the last little bit of metal, clean up any little bit, make sure everything is good. Because you really don't, this is pretty heavy. The battery is about maybe 35 pounds, maybe a little bit more, maybe 40 pounds. Yeah, maybe 40 pounds. Right. But yeah, it fits in there perfectly with a lot of time, planning, and effort. Bring you the E-Quad. I gotta order a bunch of parts to get this thing mint. I need new front rotors. I gotta finish bleeding the back brakes. I've bled most of all of the line through. The line was so long, it took forever. And there it is, guys. That thing looks sick. I'm so happy he came through. Definitely, if you guys know him or could reach out, give him some business.
Crazy.
Oh, and don't mind those wires. That actually goes to a special piece designed for the BMS in the battery. I just took it off for building purposes. But yeah, guys, that's what it looks like. I appreciate you guys sticking around, watching the whole thing. This wasn't the longest one. This just was a revamp, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and comment. I appreciate everything. We got more content coming soon. Peace.